Hello to everyone. So, are you people are tired of spending hours of time on learning how to code just to create some simple website or apps? What if I say you don't need to learn how to write code to create amazing things online? Isn't it sounding so good? So, sit back, relax, and let's go through the world of no code. From the very recent years, applications are creating a massive role and creating a very great impact. And for this development of applications, the software part comes into the picture. And while we talk about this development of software, all we need is software developers or programmers. But gone through the days where we need software developers or programmers for software development, here today software development is just like a child's play. It's just as simple as that cause of these no code platforms. And to make it simpler and to make it understand, let's take some different example. Okay, so that one is, when you people are feeling hungry and you people are tired, what you do is you just go through the food order apps like Swiggy or Zomato, right? But instead of doing the mess up like you getting ready for yourself and visiting some restaurants or hotels and having meals, creating all this mess up is not fun these days, because there is a short path where you can simply go through a food delivery app, right? So as the same, to create some websites or apps, you don't really need yourself to get ready with the right programming knowledge and with good coding skills. So all this can be happen with the no code. So the term no code refers that it is a software development approach thing where you can develop some software applications even without writing a single line of code. So this is also can be said as that even a non-technical one with very least programming knowledge or without any programming knowledge also can create amazing things on online, from very simple websites to from the very complex enterprise applications. Everyone can create this. So let's look at of now some key takeaways from this no code. So as we discussed, the first one is anyone, even a non-technical one also can create amazing things, right? So this is for the first one. And the second one is it is much faster and also cheaper. So how we can say that is faster, because we are skipping writing of code from the very scratch, where we can save a lot of time, right? So it is also faster and also it is way cheaper and it is accessible for everyone. The third one is that it is accessible for everyone, as it is of a digital economy. It is not limited for a few people, it is accessible for wide range of people, as it is not limited to a specific area or specific people. Okay, so these were for a few takeaways and key takeaways. And coming to the disadvantages, there were very few disadvantages while coming across the advantages. They were like a very limited flexibility or security reasons, etc. But nothing more than that. We have more advantages than disadvantages. So this is all for today's session, and let's discuss more about no code from the next time. And take care. Bye.